Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's wireframes and how to create a features page from it. This is a series of videos taking a look at how we can use Stackable's wireframes to help us create web pages. So to get started, let's make a brand new blank page. There's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged into your site, you'll have the stop toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, hover down to Pages on your left-hand sidebar and click on Add New Page. Let's give our page a title, Stackable Wireframes. Okay, just keep things organized and let's add it let's access the wireframes by clicking this blue button called the block inserter, and we can either scroll down or search for it, but we just need to find design library, drag and drop that into our workspace. We can close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. Let's click on open design library, and what's good about this is wireframes is right here, and they're organized according to use and feature. There we go. And there are a few templates to choose from. So I think I'd like to use feature number 5, template number 5, wireframes number 5. And here we go. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different options here, a bunch of different blocks within it. We have our heading, our text here, feature heading here, text for each of our features, and we have an icon, and we can choose to customize this. So let's go choose a random image from our library here. We have, let's go with this. I believe it's a single speed. Let's go with this. Yeah, it's a fixed gear. Okay, fantastic. Let's go with website assets. 60, 61. T6. City and track bike. Okay, and then we can customize this by just messing with the typography settings here, or choosing our own font. Right, we can change the size and everything, and that's that. We can add, if we go up top here to inner columns, we can change the column spacing for everything. We can change the minimum height, maximum width, make everything horizontal or vertical, change the inner block gap for all of these. Block spacing, we can enable or disable a container, and I'll do that to keep things a bit more legible, right? This one, I'll just keep it at that. And next, let's go ahead and fill this out with features. So since this is a bicycle, frame, hubs, crank, what else? Cockpit. Let's say chain, and last but not least, tires. Okay, so these are just 6, and it's real simple. You just have to fill out the forms, and for these we can change the icon, frame. Let's see what we have here. If something would even appear. Grid, maybe? I don't know. Something. All right, frame. Let's go with this. Hubs. Let's go with and then crank. Let's put this as gear. And then cockpit, let's go with sure, that looks like pursuit bars. Chain, and we'll have to go throughout these one by one, and uh-oh. Yeah, we just crashed. Let's go ahead and save the draft and reload it. Okay, we're happy with that. And if we wanted to change the colors, we'll just have to go into these one by one and change to the color that we want. Probably black for the crank, I suppose. And we can change the sizes as well if we wanted to, right, relative to each one. And then the icon colors for these tires, right? And okay, and then we can go ahead and customize this aluminum, Japanese bearings, 56T to 9. Steel, and then the tires, French rubber. Okay, and basically these are the features and the product we have. If you wanted to customize this further, you can just go into the blocks one by one. For instance, this image, I want to put a border on it, so I can put a radius on it, and I'm happy with that. So this is our features page grid. So if we wanted to do this for a lineup of different bicycles, let's say we had a catalog page and our products, not necessarily bicycles, we can have our products lined up here. If you click on the image and went on advanced, we can put a link to our store, right? Alternatively, we can also put a hyperlink to each one of these if we sold those separately, and we can duplicate this, and effectively we'll have 2 or more depending on how much you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on publish and save it, and let's take a look at it on our live site. With that done saving, let's go ahead and click on view live page, and here is our features page using Stackable's wireframes in WordPress. Very simple and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.